Hi, Tim here. Welcome to another tutorial for the Shotcut free and open source video editor. This tutorial shows how to create cool borders around your clips. Cut the main background video and add it to the timeline. Cut down the overlay video clip to 8 seconds and add it to the timeline. Add a crop rectangle filter. Set the corner radius to 10% to give some round corners. Adjust the crop size to the size we want. Add and size, position and rotate filter. So we can move the overlay clip to the right position. Add an alpha channel adjust filter and set the mode to shrink soft to make a softer transition between the overlay clip and the background video. Now let's make a color border around the overlay. We are using a red color clip. Add a crop rectangle filter. Set the corner radius to 10% to give some round corners. Select the size of the crop to match the size we want for the frame. Now we want to replace the red frame with a picture frame. We are doing so by replacing the red color clip with a picture. We are selecting the source video and selecting the clip on the timeline and press the R key to replace the clip. Now we want to make it a little more advanced. We want to replace the picture clip with a background video clip instead. We are selecting the source video and selecting the clip on the timeline and press the R key to replace the clip. Then we will add a size, position and rotate filter so we can place the background video in the center of the overlay clip. We are adding an alpha channel adjust filter in blur mode to make a shadow around the frame. This was all for today. Hope you liked this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. If you have something you would like to see a tutorial about, then please let me know in the comments of the video.